Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the same thing I showed you this past Tech Tuesday when Miss Griffith was not here. I'm going to show you how to open up a new Google site and some of the things that I showed you could play around with. So this is going to be from your Google Drive. Remember, we click on the waffle or the cracker, and you go down to click Sites. Your page should look like this. If for some reason your page does not look like this, I would switch to either Foxfire or Firefox, whatever it's called, or Chrome. Don't use Explorer. Explorer is not friendly to the Google sites. So you just want to go up here and you want to click Create. And remember, you can create in classic sites, but new is really where you want to be. They have all the cool tools. So once you click on New, you're going to get the basic layout that Google provides. But remember, you can change that into whatever you want. Don't forget to title it. I'm going to title mine Test. But remember, you also get to put your site name in, and those can be different. You can title your page. Your first page should be all about you. Now over here on the right-hand side, you can pick the layouts. Don't forget, if you continue to click layouts, they're just going to pile on down the page. And if you remember, the way I said to get rid of those layouts is just take your cursor over to the trash can and click it, and it will delete those layouts for you, or the specific one. But you can delete anything, including this first template. This is under the Insert tab. You can insert a text box, an image, anything from your Google Drive, and you've got all these cool things to play with down here. Now, next week we'll talk about buttons, but right now you can try a YouTube video, a calendar, a map, one of your docs, one of your projects, if it's on slides, forms, or charts. And then remember, if you go to pages, this is how you add another page. So you're going to have your home page, but then if you want a page to come off of your home page, and we'll teach you how to link that, you can go ahead and click the plus button, and a new page will come up, and you can write in the name of it. Now I put test 2. And as soon as I hit done, it's going to create that page for me with the title. Now I can flip back and forth between these, and remember, I can make my home page change by clicking on these 3 little buttons right over here. Also, don't forget, like if you go over here, that'll take you to the second page, and home obviously takes you back to your home page. You can also play around with your themes. Now remember, Miss Griffith warned us that if you pick a theme, it's going to change the theme for the entire website. So for instance, if I pick level and I change the color to green, you're going to see there, right there. Let me see if I can pick one that's a little more. There we go. Let's change the color to green right here. So there we go. Now if I go to my test page 2, you can see right here that it changed that as well. So you have to be sure, if you pick a theme, that you want it to go for all of your pages. If you don't want it to go for all of your pages, then you'll have to customize each page, and we can absolutely show you how to do that. So those are a couple of the ways that you can play with it. Remember, again, don't publish it. And remember, on your home page, we would love for you to have a contact box, but please do not put in your address or your phone number. You're welcome to have your name and email. And remember, this is not currently live. The only person who can see it is you. One last thing I'll remind you about is if you go up top here to the eye and you click on the eye, that will give you a preview of what your page would look like if you published it. Okay? So hopefully that's enough to get you guys started in case you were absent and or you just need a refresher. And we will see you for next Tech Tuesday.